Hello everyone, we are from the group Adaptive Pedaling. Our theme is mobility to find transport solutions for disabled people to travel within the city.
The problem statement is accessibility and inclusive design, creating innovative transportation and infrastructure solutions that are inclusive and accessible for people with disabilities, ensuring equal access to mobility options and enhancing the overall urban experience for everyone.
I am Ronith Chetan Raj of Class 8.
I am Himanya from Class 8.
I am Uzair AS from Class 8.
Our research revealed a gap in the market for multiple pedaling carts, a void we aim to fill by introducing a pioneering multiple hand and leg pedaling carts for disabled individuals. Recognizing challenges like the absence of wheelchairs and uneven surfaces hindering intracity or within the city. Travel for disabled people, we conducted a survey at JSS Polytechnic for the differently abled and gathered 13 responses. The findings highlighted issues such as insufficient ramps, elevators, and need for assistance. Motivated by these challenges, we embarked on the development of a unique card to facilitate seamless intracity travel, aiming to address the identified obstacles and enhancing mobility for disabled individuals.
Our miniature prototype showcases innovation in disability-friendly transportation utilizing a robotic kit chassis, particle boards, aluminium synchronized gear, belts, pulleys, thread rods, and mechanical tools. With dimensions of 28.5 cm height, 27.6 cm width, and 40.5 cm length, the cart features a synchronous geared belt and front-wheel steering for maneuverability. Dynamos on the rear wheel generate electricity stored in a rechargeable battery supplemented by the roof-mounted solar panels. This eco-friendly pedal cart accommodates 4 seats, 3 for hand pedals and 1 for leg pedals, with a driver's seat and steering. Positive feedback from 92.3% of surveyed specially abled people.
The cart will be placed on rent in stands surrounding the city areas. People with mobility issues can use this marvel cart as a shared car to get to work, go shopping, visit tourist destinations within the city, get to their college, etc.
Pedal carts can also be used to move within the city. Our pedal cart is eco-friendly and helps reduce pollution. In the future, we plan to develop instantly customizable pedal carts. I have done the documentation, survey, and miniature assembly.
I have done the model making, survey, and the research document.
I have done the 3D design, model making, survey, and the logo designing.
Thank you everyone.